1200 meters, gates open, they're up and racing. Lady Diamond draws for your lead, moving up significant. Other than comes Leon Jonic McDollar. Golden Hannah sneaking in down on the inside, followed by Special Edition and Lady Sutter easing behind them, while Your Honor was left behind. Past the last 900 and going to the last 800. Significant Other in command by about 4 lengths. Leon Jonic is in second, moving up by the rail now is Golden Hannah McDollar. Then comes his Special Edition, Lady Diamond and Lady Sutter in behind them. Then hovering towards the last 450, Significant Other maintaining a 5 lengths lead. Golden Hannah to take second. McDollar is on the outside. Then comes Leon Jonic, Lady Sutter Special Edition. With the last 200 meters more to run, Significant Other by about 5 lengths, followed by Golden Hannah. McDollar is on the outside. With the last 100 meters more to run, Significant Other winning this race by about 6 over McDollar. Close between Golden Hannah and Lady Sutter. Then comes Special Edition, Leon Jonic and Lady Diamond.